Hello everyone, Tech Aid TV here. In for today's video is we were going to troubleshoot this EPSON EcoTank L3210 printer. And this unit having this red light blinking error upon turning on the unit and flashes simultaneously with its power indicator LED. So the first step that we need to do in order to troubleshoot this error is go into your PC in which your printer is connected. Then open your PC control panel and click on View Devices and Printers. And scroll down and click Printers and Scanner. Click on your printer model and go to Printing Preferences. Click on Maintenance tab. And then click on EPSON Status Monitor 3 to check your printer error code. So here it shows the 034004 error. This error code indicate a paper jam problem, but not at all times the 034004 error is a paper jam issue. Sometimes it's related on some of its printer mechanisms. So now let's start checking the unit. So press the power button to turn off your printer. Then unplug the USB cable and power cord. Then open the front access door and lift the scanner lid to check any broken pieces or crumpled paper inside the printer that causes the 034004 error or paper jam problem. You can use a flashlight to clearly inspect and remove if you found any broken pieces of paper jam inside the printer. But in this case, we don't have found any broken pieces of paper jam inside the printer. So next step is we were going to loosen the side cover screw in order for us to remove the printer side cover. Then slide down the scanner stand in order to unlock and remove the scanner stand to the side holder. Then now we will be able to remove the printer side cover. And here we have to check the encoder disc and make sure that the encoder disc is properly aligned and attached to the side roller gear. And check also the encoder disc sensor. Make sure also that this is not broken and dust-free. Clean it using brush if necessary. So as we can see here, the encoder disc and the encoder disc sensor is properly aligned and dust-free. So here's the next step. We will now detach the panel and scanner flex cables from the printer's logic board. Then after, we can now remove the printer scanner. Then next step is check your PF motor. Because if PF motor is unable to function or rotate, the possible error code is the 034004, so we need to check its wires and connector to see if it's properly connected to the main logic board. So as we can see here, there is a broken wires connection inside the printer, and probably this is the connection and supply of the printer's PF motor. So now, we would just only repair this broken wire in order to fix this error. And then after we've repaired the broken PF motor wire, we will now connect it securely the connector to the main logic board. Then we will now reattach the scanner assembly. Then ensure to attach properly the scanner flex cables and control panel flex cable. And then after, we may now reattach the side cover. Then tighten the side cover screw using Phillips screwdriver. Then reattach the front door access cover. Then after, we may now plug in the power cord and USB cable. Then we may now load a sheet of paper on its paper tray. Then press the power button to turn on the printer. Then now let's observe if blinking error has been resolved. So now since there's no red blinking error appear, we have now run a test print to show you that the printer is now working normally. Then now let's check on its printout. As we can see here, that we have a good quality printout and the red blinking error and the 034004 error that appears on our screen is successfully resolved. And that's the step-by-step procedure on how to troubleshoot and fix the 034004 error of this EPSON EcoTank L3210 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.